Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are well and safe in home. Today we will learn about Indian classical dance forms. Bharatnatyam dance originated in the temples of Tamil Nadu. It was originally performed by Devdasis. Lord Shiva, in his Nataraj form, is considered as the creator of this dance. Kathak traces its origin to the Kathakars of ancient northern India. Kathak shows influence of temple and ritual dances and certain features of Persian and Central Asian dances, which are imported by the royal courts of the Mughal era. The main lineage of Kathak are Lucknow, Jaipur and Banaras gharanas or schools. One more gharana is Raigad gharana. Elaborate makeup and costumes, well-defined hand gestures or mudras, facial expressions or rasas, and rhythmic dancing instead of dialogue are the characteristic features of Kathakali dance. Typically based on episodes of the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, and the Purans, specially practice of eye movement control and the ancient martial art of Kerala enables a Kathakali dancer to perform the demanding role to perfection. Kuchipudi dance is founded by Siddhendra Yogi in 7th century southern India. Usually begins with stage rites. Then begins the drama filled with graceful movements, expressions, swift looks, and fleeting emotions. Vachika Abhinaya or use of dialogues is also a special feature of Kuchipudi dance. Manipuri is ancient ritual-based dance form, interpreted as new compositions. It based on the divine Krishna Radha story. Delicate lyrical movements of the hands and body, calm facial expressions, and soft yet rhythmic footsteps give Manipuri dance its undulating and soft appearance. Maharaja Bhagyachandra of Manipur composed Manipuri dance in 18th century. Mohiniyattam, literally meaning dance of the enchantress. This dance form originated in 16th century in Kerala. It is meant to be performed as solo recitals by women and involves graceful gentle movements of erect posture from side to side. There are approximately 40 basic movements. Odissi is the oldest surviving dance form of India and originating in Odisha. The basic square stance of Lord Jagannath, independent movements of the head, chest and pelvis are the distinguished features of this ancient dance form. The Odissi tradition has existed in three schools: Mahari, Nartaki and Gotipua. Traditional Odissi repertory consists of Mangalacharan, Battu Nritya, Pallavi, Abhinaya and Moksha. Satriya dance is usually based on mythological stories and created in 15th century in Assam. It was traditionally performed by Bhakuts or male monks for ritualistic purposes within monasteries and was a medium to spread religious teaching to the common people in an enjoyable manner. Satriya Nritya is accompanied by musical compositions called Borgits, which are based on classical ragas.